Roses come in many shapes and sizes, but the same principle that we're going to talk about for a moment applies to all of them. Today we're looking at a climbing rose which has been flowering away quite nicely for about 6 or 8 weeks. And as you can see, the flowers come out a lovely pinky reddy colour, and then they fade off, and then they fade away almost to white. But the point is that this rose will be quite capable of flowering away right through the rest of the year. And if you remove the old flower heads that are finished flowering, and there are quite a few of them, and if we look over here, we can see where the first flowers came out, that these rose hips are forming. The hips are swelling, the seeds are going to be in there, and the plant is wasting a hell of a lot of energy creating those seeds when it could be creating more new growth and more new flowers. So basically we just need to snip out, or deadhead, call it what you like, these old flowers. And if you look there, a new growth shoot has appeared from just beside where we've removed the old flower head. And what that means is that give it another 4 or 5 weeks, there'll be flowers there too, because the plant hasn't got to waste energy growing these seeds. There you can see another wonderful new shoot coming out. In fact, there's going to be a lot more flowers up through here. You already see the flower head forming on that bit of new growth, whereas this shoot here, the new growth shoot's hardly formed because all the energy is going into the rose hip and into the seed. So it doesn't take more than a few seconds really to do the pruning, but when you look here in this particular stem, there was just the one early flower head which we'll remove, but already you've got a good crop of new flowers coming. And although this lot here are nearly over, another day or two we want to snip them out as well. And there's some more there. You can see that we're going to have a second flush of flowers, and this rose is going to go on and on. Some people would think it was over, but with a bit of care and attention you can get it to perform even better.